Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. You are here with CodePurpose. It's been a while, and today we are going to do another simple exercise for beginners using C++. And today's exercise is that we are going to calculate the radius of the circumferential and inscribed circles in the equilateral triangle. These are the formulas on how we can calculate them. And now, of course, we will need a parameter which will be of type double. Now we will input it. Input the value of A saying A. Now we will need also two more parameters, which will be of type double. We will need R and R, a big one. Now, R is equal to A multiplied by square root of 3 divided by 2 and a little dot because we have a double. Now the reason we have an error is, yes, you guessed it, we need the library CMath. Include CMath. Now we will also need to do the following formula for the big R. The big R, no, I'm sorry, this was the big R. Now R is equal to the big R divided by 3. If you look closely at these formulas, they are the same as this one. So just another example on how we can write it down. Now we will just need to print them. Cout the inscribed circle radius is R. Let's put an end line and cout the circumferential circle radius is the big R. Now let's try our code. Let's put in 6. There you go, guys. This is how we calculate the radius of the circumferential and the inscribed circles. Now I know what you're thinking, these exercises are boring, they are lame, but in order to do more difficult exercises, first we will need to go through this. So leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.